Are you always walking into your children's rooms and seeing the light on? The light switch left on? Even with the little grab thing down here where it's easy. Simple, just down. It's off. Up. It's on. We tried to keep the lights off, and yet, every time I turn around, the lights are on. I have a solution, and I'm going to share it with you today. Let's go. Alright, the first thing you have to do is find a power drill. And the longest Phillips extension bit you can find. And then we put it in here. Easy. Easy. And then you use the Phillips, you use it to get that off there. You're not going to need that. Now, these are flat blade, so now we got to go get a flat blade. Hang on. All right, I have a flat blade, but you may notice there's paint all over the screws. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the sharpest knife you can and just dig it out of there. Make sure to cut your finger at some point. All right, now that we've cut our finger in the wall and got a little bit of paint out of the screw, we're going to take that screw out. All right. Easy. Save those. Those got to go back in. Don't throw those away. Okay. All right, there we go. There's that. Simple. Now, take that same flat blade you got there. Don't poke it in here. That's fire. Maybe even electrocution. Stick it in underneath the bottom. That's pry it up there. Pry it up there. You only need one tool, and that's your brain. Alright, we're going to not electrocute ourselves, but the lights will probably go. Wait, first, let me show you what we're going to do here. This is what we're going to put in. Talk to you more about that in a second. Alright, now, be sure to have a flashlight on the ready. There we go. See a spark? And then you drop your flashlight. There you go. Alright. That's one of the wires. I think that's the hot one. So now that we're to that point, now that the lights are off, now realize we need to read the instructions. Alright. Just a minute. We're just going to go with the old black to black method. It usually works. And then red is load. And right now is the time where you pretend like you know exactly what you're doing. You just put that on there. Alright, check your wire. Alright, now we've got to cram all the rest of this wire in there. Just going to roll all that. Up in there. Twist it all around. Okay. Realize it's not going to fit. We'll see. Alright, now's the point. Now, we should be able to turn the light on. Hang on, let's do that. Okay. Wondering. That's the one that should be in all of them. Nice and easy. Make sure you go just hard enough to break it. Like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and there you have it. Now, off, auto, maybe. All right, apparently there's something in behind here that we have to contend with. Okay. Well, that looks like a bunch of hullabaloo to me. All right. Realize you should have read the instructions further. The time dial adjusts the time delay. All right. I believe that we need a neutral wire here in order for the circuit to be completed so that the sensor here works. So now that we've come to that conclusion, we're going to do the right thing. Forget that we ever started this project, and then just realize you have a very expensive on and off light. And then
And trying to go.
oh look, the Jetsons are on.